everyone, I'm Irenia. Here I will explain about noun clause. Meaning and definition of noun clause. A noun clause is a dependent clause that works just like a noun in a sentence. The Concise Oxford Dictionary of Linguistics explains a noun clause as a clause whose scientific role is seen as like that of a noun or noun phrase, and the Collins Dictionary defines it as a clause that fulfills the same function as a noun. It typically begins with a subordinating conjunction, for example that, whether, if, or a question word, for example what, who, how, and acts as a single unit, often performing roles such as the subject, object, or complement within the main clause. Noun clauses can serve various purposes such as naming things, action, concept, or ideas. Just like a noun has various functions, a noun clause has multiple functions too. A noun clause can perform the following function. First, works as the subject by performing or constituting the action in a sentence. Second, takes the place of the object in a sentence by receiving the action. Third, acts as the subject complement by identifying or describing the subject. The last, function as the object of a preposition. Identifying a noun clause in a sentence can be done by looking for certain characteristics and asking specific questions. Here's how you can identify a noun clause. First, check if there is a noun and verb. Second, then analyze if it plays any of the function of a noun such as subject, direction object, indirection object, subject complement, and object of a preposition. Third, look for subordinating words. Noun clause often begin with subordinating words such as that, whether, if, what, who, where, how, and more. These words introduce the clause and are a good indicator that you're dealing with a noun clause. Fourth, test for noun function. Yourself if the clause is functioning as a noun within the sentence. Noun clauses can serve as subject-object such as direct or indirect. Complements or object of preposition if the clause is performing one of these functions is likely a noun clause. The last, replace with a pronoun or noun. Try replacing the clause with a simple pronoun like it or a noun and see if the sentence still makes sense. If it does, the clause is likely a noun clause. For example, if you replace what they say with it, the sentence "it surprised everyone" still makes sense. Next, examples of noun clause as subject. The first sentence is "What amuses my son?" It is a subject. The second sentence is "How we will finish the assignment on time." It is a subject. And noun clause as object. The first sentence is "If I should take an auto." There is a object. The second sentence is "Where I could find a clinic." There is a object. That's all my explanation. Thank you.